This tutorial review will show you how to fix Instagram notifications not working in iPhone. Solution number 1. Enable push notifications on your iPhone. If push notifications are disabled for your Instagram, you won't receive these alerts until you give the necessary permissions to the Instagram app. To check your settings for Instagram on an iPhone, follow these steps. Open your phone settings. Find Instagram by scrolling down. Tap on it. Tap on notifications. Now toggle the allow notifications tab to give the app permission. Reset the Instagram app by removing it from the background. Your phone will most likely receive notifications now. Solution number 2. Check if you have post notifications on Instagram. If your phone's push notifications are already on, there is a possibility that alerts are paused from the app itself. If you have paused your Instagram notifications in the past, here's how to undo it. Open your Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the 3-line icon at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, tap on notifications, and here you have to turn off the pause all option, and then you will start to receive your Instagram notifications on your iPhone. And the third solution is clear the Instagram app cache. A corrupted cache might lead to issues with your Instagram app. Follow these steps if you use an iOS device. Go to your phone settings. Tap on General, iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap on Instagram. Tap on Offload app. Once you offloaded the app, reinstall the Instagram and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the fourth solution is restart your phone. Restarting your phone fixes potential glitches by restarting all background processes. Reboot your phone at least once a week to give it a fresh start. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, you should start receiving Instagram notifications on your iPhone. And the next solution is update your Instagram app. Go to your app store and search for Instagram. And if you see any update available, then you have to update your Instagram app and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it. So for these steps to fix this problem, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.